to unbox my Coach birthday gift. And so yeah, let's get into it. So my daughter bought me a wristlet from Coach. It was a monogram wristlet. I should have taken a picture of it. But I don't particularly care for monogram items. I guess it really depends. Coach print I don't particularly care for, but I do like the Coach brand. Don't get me wrong, I love Coach. I think the quality is amazing. However, it's just certain things I don't like, I guess, monogram. And so I asked her would she be upset if I returned it. And she was like, return it to get what? And I was like, I don't know. And then I was like, yeah, I don't like, certain monogram prints. And I don't want her money to go to waste. So, and I don't want it to just sit and collect dust. So I was like, I'd rather get something that I know that I'm gonna like and carry and wear. And so let's open up my new gift. So I went in the store and I was thinking about getting like the dinky bag, which is a smaller, like cute little going out kind of purse. It comes with like a chain, and they didn't have that in store. They have this other pocketbook. Let me see what the name of it is. And I was thinking about getting that one. It was a pretty blue color, but I just recently had gotten a blue suede purse from another brand, so I didn't want to get another blue bag. It was the Waverly bag, so I'll pop up a picture. So the Waverly was really cute, and the color was really cute. It was a lighter blue than the blue that I have. These were the running purses. So it was the Kisslock Barrel Bag, which was brown, which I thought was really cute. I'll pop up a picture of that. It was the Waverly bag. It was the Tabby shoulder bag, which came in like this burnt rust brown color. And then it was the, and I'll let you guys see. And this was the runner-up, which actually won. So let's unbox it. My brother was like, send me a picture so you can show a coworker. So I already opened it to some degree. But, so, drum roll. Da-dun, da-dun. So I decided to go with this is the Empire. It's a mini Empire. It's in a rust color. And it is just perfect for spring. It also has a shoulder strap as well, or crossbody strap as well. And it is just the cutest little bag. And so it has the strap where you can crossbody. It has a little Coach tag here. Let's open it up. I have not opened it. This is the first time. Open it up. I know they packaged it really well. And shout out to Alexis in the store. She was so helpful. She actually had tried this bag on. And then I was like, let me see that bag. And so it has a dust bag. So I can store it in the dust bag. Let's see what it'll look like inside. Okay, so it has a small little compartment inside with the snap. Let's see if you can see it. There's a compartment with the snap. It's pretty deep. It's pretty deep. I feel like I could get a lot in here. It has the little Coach tag inside. I hope you can see it. I don't know if you can see it. And yeah, I thought this bag was just really cute. I love the color. It kind of goes with what I got on as well. And so yeah, this is the Empire. I wanted the Empire 40. It has feet on the bottom to protect it when you put it down. And and I guess you can wear it like this. It also has some adjustable layers, I think, as well. Or no? I think you can. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I think you can adjust it. There are additional holes here as well. Right now it's like in the middle. So if I wanted to lower it to make it come down a little, I could. Or I could leave it the way it is. I think this is good. Alexis was concerned about, she was like, do you think the handles are too high? I was like, no, I think it's okay. And so yeah, you could carry it this way, or you could carry it like in your hand, or you could carry it like this. Or carry it like this. So I think this color pairs really well with like denim. It's a fun little color. I feel like you could get away with it in spring. You could also wear it in the fall. And then in the winter if you want. If it's yours, you wear it whenever you want, pretty much. But I love, like, if you don't want the strap, you can detach the strap. I haven't taken it off yet because it's actually connected to the like a little plastic here. But you can take it off if you want. And yeah, I love it. The price is pretty decent, and I feel like I will wear it. So these are like Coach bags that I like. I like an all leather with minimum kind of exposure prints and stuff. I like an all leather. I like a suede. Yeah, I stay away from like monogram. I like Gucci monogram, and I like maybe LV monogram to some degree, but I'm more of a like classic minimum non-monogram item pieces. And so yeah, I thought this was so really cute. It's so really cute. So yeah, I love it. I think I'll wear this and take care of this, and I feel like it's fun. And so yeah, this is my Coach Empire. Let me see if it gives me the exact, let's see, the exact name or style. So I did have to put money towards it, but okay, so it's the Suede Empire 21. And so yeah, I wanted the Empire 40, but I felt like I don't even carry my LV Never Full bag so often, so why would I get another big tote bag? And so I decided to get the little one. I feel like I'll carry this, and yeah, it's so cute. And so yeah, that's my Coach bag that I got for my birthday. And yeah, tell me what you guys think. Do you like it? Would you buy it? Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, until next time guys, I will talk to you later. Bye. I don't particularly care for